What's cooking, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm making these ooey gooey and chewy chocolate chip cookies. These are extremely easy to make at home, and these are pretty much the classic chocolate chip cookie. Get your kids involved, get your nieces and nephews involved. This is a really fun activity to do in the kitchen with them. So stay tuned for the recipe. Do consider subscribing if you're new here and you'd like to join my foodie family. And also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get baking. I'll start off with the dry ingredients. In a small bowl, I have 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, and to this I'm adding half a teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure it's baking soda and not powder. Add a pinch of salt, or about a 1/4 teaspoon, and then mix it well with a fork till the dry ingredients are all combined, and then you can set this aside for now. In a large bowl here, I have half a cup of unsalted butter that is melted. To this, I'm adding 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I have light brown sugar here. I would not use the dark brown one, or the cookies will have a darker color. And then mix this with your hand mixer until just combined. Add in 1 large egg, which is at room temperature. As always, every wet ingredient should be at room temperature, guys. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract as well. Mix this again until just combined and never over mixing it. That is the golden rule for all baked goods. And then to the wet mixture, I'm going to add all of the dry mixture I made earlier, and then going in one more time with your hand or stand mixer, whichever is easier for you guys, to combine everything really well. This is a cookie dough batter, so obviously it will have a thicker consistency. And then let's add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips once the dough is done. You can also use dark chocolate or milk chocolate chips here, whatever you prefer. And then with a spatula, I'm going to mix in the chocolate chips until it is just combined in the cookie dough, making sure the chips are evenly distributed. This is your chocolate chip cookie dough, and now let's form the shape. I have a baking tray here that is lined with parchment or wax paper, and I'm going to take a cookie scoop, or you can take a tablespoon to shape these cookies. I'm taking a dollop of the cookie dough and rolling them in my palms to make a round shape. And you can make them smaller or bigger sized as you wish. This is the perfect size that I like, which is a few bites in 1 cookie. And once this is shaped, you can put them in the fridge for about 10 minutes, but that is optional and not really necessary. I was able to make 16 cookies from this amount of dough. Let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once the oven is preheated, you can put the cookies in there for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are a light brown. The longer you bake them, they will turn out crunchier. And these are looking great to me, and I'll take them out now and let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. And after cooling in the pan, you can take them out on a wire rack to further cool down before you dig into them. And here is the second batch of cookies that is also done now. I'm serving these with obviously a glass of cold milk, the perfect classic pairing. And let me show you the inside of this cookie. These look soft and gooey. They are the perfect size in my opinion, and they look so precious. Let me know in the comments below if you are a chewy or crunchy cookie person. I definitely love a chewy and soft gooey cookie. This is such a classic chocolate chip cookie recipe, and I hope you get to try it also. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my very simple chocolate chip cookie recipe. These go great with a cold glass of milk as usual. Let me know in the comments below how you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe before leaving. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.